The AVG series V-groover is the most flexible V-groover available. The one machine functions in both cross and linear modes and is computerized, making it an indispensable machine for fabricators of wood, laminate, MDF, solid surface, and dozens of other commonly used materials. The machine comes in a variety of sizes: AVG-30, our standard AVG-48, AVG-60, 72, and 96. The number represents the maximum amount of inches that the head will travel in cross-grooving mode. Thus, an AVG-60 has the capacity to cross-groove a workpiece of up to 60 inches in width. There is no limit, however, on the length of the cut in linear mode. The cross-grooving mode is ideal for cabinets, kitchens, islands, store fixtures, drawers, kickboards, or any other case good one could imagine. The simplicity of the machine operation allows for a single operator, but also allows for multiple people to be well trained for its use in only 2 to 3 hours. The touchscreen control panel gives clear, concise information about operation and safety. In cross-grooving mode, one can see the hold-down bars keep the workpiece rigid during cutting and release as the fence moves the workpiece to the next programming cutting position. There is no room for operator error, as instructions come from the computer, and thus ensures precise repetition in finished goods. Access to the program can be controlled at a number of security levels, restricting operator access, or alternatively, access can be granted to the operator to make fabricating adjustments during the process for one-of-a-kind and unique cuts. This workhorse is made to operate at capacity shift after shift, with no variance in both cutting and with the precision of the measurements. Quality is increased, quality control is much stronger, and savings are found both in time and material. You will find there is less work to be done at the finishing station, as all cuts are precise down to the membrane, yet no further. Joints are miter folded as opposed to 2 pieces abutting. Color match and grain match are consistent. At the end of the program, the workpiece is moved to the front table. The head automatically moves up, the hold down bars are released by the computer, and the fence automatically moves to its resting position on the back table. The front table has the option to be used as a floating table for end cuts on long pieces in linear mode. Changeovers from cross to linear have never been easier. Once the computer is switched from cross to linear, the fence automatically moves into position, the hold down bars sink into the table, the computer automatically moves the cutting head into its locked position. And finally, the feeder is locked into its position. Tape, when desired, is automatically applied to the workpiece by our patented smart taping unit. The sensors recognize if tape has been applied, and the head will automatically be lifted, not scarring the workpiece if the tape runs out or if for any reason it is not adhering to the workpiece, thus saving the piece from waste. Single cuts can be made to a workpiece for applications such as drop edges, window sills, or shelving. Or multiple cuts can be made for bulkheads, pillars, legs, or caps. Our standard computer has memory for over 500 programs and recipes, and they can be input at the screen level or connected to a desktop in the design department. Changeover back to cross grooving is just as simple. In only seconds, the feeder is moved out of position. The fence, head, and hold down bars move automatically into cross grooving mode. Programs can be switched from inches to centimeters and back with the touch of a button, and allows different operators to have different levels of access. This workpiece can be replicated into small jewelry boxes or large kitchen cabinets with the same ease and precision, making a perfect edge having continuous grain on all sides, and can be repeated thousands of times. Miter folding allows for a more attractive and a stronger workpiece. If desired, a drop edge can be applied to the sides, continuing the grade onto the edge, or the machine can cut a dado near the edge to allow the insertion of a drawer bottom or cupboard back panel. A clean cut every time. It is easy to have a self-supply of drawers in multiple sizes in inventory without using other machines or outsourcing. The dado cut at the edge will be the receptacle for a drawer bottom. In this case, several pieces are kept out of inventory by using a single piece for your drawer. Tabletops and table legs are easily V-grooved and stored while preserving the wonderful character of continuous grain on four sides without edge banding. The integrity of the entire workpiece is consistent. Fewer parts in inventory means higher profits. Wall paneling, counters and displays, shelving and cabinet inserts, as well as other components, are easily V-grooved and easily stored. Again, the joy of fewer pieces in inventory.